only is it a true SS 138 car, but besides the fact that it was made to look like it was original, but other than that, let's go back to the basics, featuring a marina blue exterior. Of course, it does match up to the trim tag. Black manual top, that's right folks, it is not a power top. What's really nice about it too is the fact that it comes with the factory style, which was a factory option, hubcaps, not actually wheels, but hubcaps. Definitely looks a lot better than the cheap torque thrust wheels that everybody wants to buy every day. Other than that, you got your stock SS style hood. Moving on to the interior now, as you can see, it is a 4-speed manual. We got the appropriate style steering wheel with the working horn. Got our stock cluster, all of our gauges. We even have the factory style tack, mentioning also the Delco style AM radio, the very nice white leather bench seat, which can fit more than 3 people, or if you really want to get close to your passenger, which we're not going to really go into depth of that. But other than that, it is a strong, powerful car, having a 396 underneath the hood, meant to look like it was from the factory. In fact, it is a matching number motor, proper 396 with stock manifolds, chrome air cleaner, proper valve covers and air cleaner, I might add. The wires look brand new. The hoses even have the stock style clamps. But other than that, it is a fine ride. The fact that it is a true SS car makes it even worth more, and the fact that we're cruising down the road definitely makes it even nicer. In fact, I'm better than that guy, I'm better than that guy, I'm definitely better than the guy in front of me. Other than that, it is definitely a nice ride. But anyway, now we're just going to get it safely turned around and up on the lift, so please stay tuned to see the underneath.